In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva saving error. If Canva suddenly shows a saving error, save paused message, or a warning that changes have not been saved, it can be stressful, especially when you are working on an important design or presentation. The good news is that this usually means Canva has temporarily lost sync with its servers, and in many cases, you can fix it without losing your work. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can get your project saving properly again. First, check whether the issue is happening on Canva's side. Open a new browser tab and go to status.canva.com. On that page, look for the sections related to the editor and site performance. If Canva is reporting a problem there, then the saving issue is likely caused by a server-side outage or maintenance. In that case, the best option is to wait a little while and avoid making too many new edits until service is restored. If everything is showing as operational, then the problem is probably limited to your device or browser session. Next, try forcing a manual save. In your Canva project, go to the File menu in the top left area of the screen and click Save. Then watch the status text near your design title. If it changes to All Changes Saved, that means the connection has been restored and your project is syncing normally again. If that does not work, think about whether you recently added a large file, such as a high-resolution image, a long video, or another heavy media element. Large assets can sometimes interrupt Canva's save process. Click the most recently added item, copy it as a backup, and then remove it from the canvas. If Canva starts saving normally right after that, the file is likely too large or problematic, and compressing it before uploading again can help. If the issue continues, clear your browser's cached data. In a browser like Chrome, open the menu in the top right corner and select Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time, then choose cookies and cached images and files. After that, clear the data. This can remove corrupted temporary files that may be interfering with Canva. Finally, before doing a hard refresh, copy any recent text or important edits into a separate document as a backup. Then perform a hard refresh using Ctrl and F5 on Windows or Command, Shift, and R on Mac. Once Canva reloads, check that the top indicator says All Changes Saved. That's it.